Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome not syncing data step by step in 2026. If your bookmarks, passwords, history, or extensions are not syncing across devices, Chrome Sync might be paused or encountering errors. Let's fix this together. First, make sure you're signed into Chrome with the correct Google account. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and confirm that your account is active. Next, check the sync status. Click the three dots, go to Settings, greater than you and Google, greater than Sync and Google Services. Make sure Sync is on. If it says paused, click Turn on Sync and sign in again. Sometimes clearing cached data can help. Go to Settings, greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time and Clear Cached Images, Cookies, and Site Data. Don't worry, your saved passwords are safe if sync is on. Another important step is to check your internet connection. Sync won't work with unstable or blocked networks. Switch to a stable connection and test again. If Chrome still doesn't sync, disable any extensions that might interfere. Go to More Tools, greater than Extensions, and turn off extensions one by one. Extensions like ad blockers or security tools can block sync. Also, make sure Chrome is updated. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and install any updates. Updated versions fix many sync-related bugs. For more persistent issues, reset sync completely. Go to Settings, greater than Sync and Google Services, greater than Manage Sync, then select Reset Sync on your Google account. This clears old data and starts fresh without deleting locally saved bookmarks or passwords. Finally, if none of these steps work, try reinstalling Chrome. Uninstall it, restart your PC, and download the latest version from the official website. Sign back in and turn on sync again. And that's how you fix Google Chrome not syncing data step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.